So the first one we'll explore is embodied practice. Again, this is physically or vocally practicing a skill or procedure via an avatar. This strategy is based on the theory that the mind is not only connected to the body, but that the body actually influences the mind. So activating our sensory motor systems in a training experience actually activates cognitive processing. So we're not just brains in jars sitting there at our computer screen. We're more holistic and interconnected beings than that. So allowing learners to use their bodies and voices along with their minds actually enhances learning. Examples are things like an installation procedure that's physical and procedural, a medical procedure like maybe surgery or checking vitals, or physical work in a restaurant or a hotel, which relates to the first project that we're going to share today. So this project was for Hilton. It was really exciting and groundbreaking, and we've done many projects for them since they've become real huge fans of XR. It eliminated the expense and logistics of shadowing and training because it allowed learners to really learn by doing. And it also helped new hires build empathy for their colleagues using VR. So Hilton business executives, they may never actually have worked in a hotel, but they make decisions that affect their hospitality colleagues every day. So here they get to actually sweat the timer and build room trays, as you can see there in the left-hand GIF. In other modules, they're actually cleaning rooms, they're understanding the complexities of the front desk. And what's also interesting here is that these more immersive and embodied 3D simulations, a la embodied practice, were paired with live action 360 video of a hotel tour and also e-learning based scavenger hunts to round out the learner journey and match different modality experiences to the nature of each learning objective. So in our experience, VR is usually much more effective when it's situated in that kind of larger blended journey.
Then in this case study, we partnered with a leading global manufacturer to really revitalize their safety training using the power of VR. Our solution involved developing a highly realistic VR simulation here that replicated their factory environment, complete with 360-degree digital twins of their facilities and interactive 3D models of their equipment. So learners can really interact with this virtual world, performing tasks, manipulating objects, and experiencing the consequences of their actions in a safe setting. The project really highlights how virtual reality can transform safety training from a passive, more compliance-driven activity into an engaging and impactful experience that drives real behavioral change and encourages a stronger safety culture as well. This next project here is one of my recent favorites because it sits so perfectly at the intersection of three very powerful technologies for learning: virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and voice recognition technology. So everyone is aware that AI agents are a new and very powerful tool in the L&D space, but there are a lot of challenges and nuances in getting it right. So here in partnership with a global food and beverage company, we created this immersive conversation simulation where company leaders are able to practice their human-centric coaching skills. They're put through these dynamic training scenarios where learners use their own voices and their own words to engage in authentic back and forth dialogue with real-time animated avatars. So no multiple choice prompts, no canned responses, only a learner's instinctive response in the moment. An AI feedback tool then delivers highly personalized guidance tailored to each learner's intent, word choice, and their tone, because what you say is sometimes just as important as how you say it. And this is a true evolution of the branching simulation. And as an L&D professional, it really doesn't get much more exciting than this. So one of the key focus areas for our emerging technology team has been to make virtual reality training more accessible and practical for organizations. We've achieved this through WebXR technology, which allows us to create simulations that can be accessed on both desktop computers and VR headsets. So this dual modality delivery provides incredible flexibility and scalability. Learners with VR headsets can enjoy the fully immersive version of the experiences, while those without can still access the engaging training on their desktops. We've also developed an LMS integration tool that enables learners to launch these simulations directly from their organization's LMS. Ultimately, this technology allows us to create immersive and adaptive learning experiences that are scalable across the entire enterprise while catering to diverse needs and learning styles. We believe that this combination of technology really represents a significant step forward in making VR training more practical, accessible, and overall impactful for organizations of all sizes.